Hey Glam dolls, I'm here today to share with you all this eye look that I created that you keep watching this video. Okay Glam dolls, I'm going to start out by priming the entire mobile area of my eyes. And with the wand for my fingertips, I'm going to take this and blend it all the way up into my crease area. And then I'm going to use my MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics Saddle Brown. I'm using this to help warm my eye up, just to give it a nice light wash of color, because I will also be using this as my transitional color for MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics Ultimate Glam 35 color eyeshadow palette, which is available in the description box below. So I'm taking that brown color, which is darker, slightly darker than the MAC one, but look at this. What color you see, you definitely will get with my palette. I'm taking that, applying it directly into the crease, deepening the warmth that I already applied from using the transitional color. This is what's going to help to begin to create the shape and definition. And then I'm going to use my paint pot. Now here's the difference. Using a primer is helped to protect the skin barrier on your eyes when applying the eyeshadow, but it's the paint pot that will make any eyeshadow color pop that much better. So with the one for my fingertips, I'm taking the paint pot and patting it on the entire mobile area of my eye. And the one for my fingertips is what helps the product to spread itself out evenly. Then I'm going to head back into my palette and take that dark chocolate brown color right there. And here is where I'm going to begin focusing heavy in on my crease. Yes, watch this. Look at that. You see that? Don't play with her. This palette is available down in the description box below. It is such a great addition to add into your makeup arsenal. So as you see, I'm creating the crease, deepening the crease with the dark brown color, and then I'm gonna go back and take my blending brush and blend downward, spreading the color in a downward motion. I'm going back into the palette, and this time I'm taking a flat shader brush and I'm putting it directly only on the mobile area of my eyes with the flat shader brush. I'm applying the color only on the mobile area of my eyes. Now I'm going back again with whatever residue was left on that crease brush and really focus it in heavy on that outer V. The outer V is what actually helps to create the shape of the eyes in which you're going for. And then with the shader brush, putting a lighter color just in on the tear ducts to add some light back into my eye look. Tiny bit of black. Oh my gosh, a tiny bit of black just on the outer V, because I really want to get the definition in on that outer V. Dolls, please, when using black eyeshadow, the tiniest bit will go a long way. Trust me, don't overdo it. Off camera, I did the false eyelashes and wing liner. And now I'm using the Nivea Post-Shave Balm Cream. Now, really, this is for men's skincare, but let me tell you all a secret. It's great as a primer and as a moisturizer for you wearing your makeup, especially underneath the areas of your eyes. I'm also going to add the Black Radiance Poreless Primer, and I like focusing this in on my T-zone area, real heavy around my nose and underneath my eye and cheek area, and then I'm gonna put a little bit on the forehead and for the rest of the perimeters of my face. And once I complete the blending aspect, I'm then going to move into my two favorite foundations mixed together. One is my Makeup Forever and the other one is my L'Oreal True Match foundation. I will be sure to put both their colors down in the description box below. So I'm going to apply it directly onto my makeup brush, and I'm always, look at this, I'm struggling to get that out that bottle. I need to buy the little spatula thing to collect it out. But anyhow, I'm going to stipple it all over the entire perimeters of my face. This is going to help me to make sure I have even coverage. Once I get it stippled all over my face, now I'm going to begin blending it all the way in. All the way in. And if you happen to have made it this far into the video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications so you do not miss any future uploads I have coming your way. So now that I blended my foundation in, I'm ready for highlighting and contouring. These two highlighters, I'm going to be soon adding them into my cosmetic collection on my website. I'm just giving them a try, and so far I'm loving the hydration and the coverage that these seem to provide. I'll be sure to include more details about it later on. Now for contouring, I'm using my Pro Contouring Cream Contour, and I'm just doing the perimeters of my face along the lines of my forehead. And once I do that, I'm going to take the Beauty Blender and begin blending out that highlight concealer. And look at the coverage that it's providing. Look at that. I am so in love with it. It looks like it's going to be a game changer, and I will be adding it on the website. Yeah, I love it. I'm also going to take the residue that's on the Beauty Blender and chisel out my jawline area. And then I'm going to put a little bit in the center of my forehead. So now that that's done, I'm going to take the makeup brush with whatever foundation residue is already on it and just pat underneath the areas of my eyes. Because remember, I want the highlighted look, but I want a natural highlight. So I'm definitely going to buff out around my nose area, but pat underneath the eye area. And I'm also going to pat along the lines of the jawline. And I'm going to take a Beauty Blender with whatever is left on the Beauty Blender, and I'm going to begin blending out the perimeters of the contour. Using the round end of the Beauty Blender, I'm just going to blend that out a little bit so I don't have any harsh lines and demarcations. Give me a thumbs up if you made it this far into the video, Glam Dolls. I really appreciate the support. So here I am just buffing and blending, and now for the fun part, the highlight. Oh my gosh, LA Colors Cosmetics Illuminating Drops. When I tell you all, a little bit of this is going to go a long way. Wait till you see the magic this is about to do. Wait for it. What? You see that? So easy to use, and the tiniest bit going to go a long way. Look at that glow. Watch again. Look at that glow. Look at that glow. I am so obsessed with this. Oh my gosh. It will be down in the description box below. And to really bring it out, I'm just adding a tiny bit more highlighter. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So now I'm going to put some blush. I'm not much of a blush wearer, so a little bit of this definitely is going to go a long way. It's Milani Cosmetics Rose de Rio, followed by my setting sprays by Black Radiance. One is a matte setting spray and the other one is a hydrating setting spray. Together it gives me the perfect coverage. I'm going to spritz them both on there, fan my face for it to set, and then I'm going to quickly move into outlining my lips, because I will be applying MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics Signature Lip Gloss Collection. I will be applying colors number 18 and number 22 onto the lips, and the links to my lipsticks will be down in the description box below, as well as direct link to the website itself. So make sure you join my mailing list and you sign up for my beauty alerts. Therefore, you will never miss an upload of sales and deals that I have coming your way, even if it's not from my website. So the second color is only going to be applied in the center part of my lips, just to kind of brighten it up a little bit, because I want the ombre lip effect. And as I apply the lipstick, dolls, I'm loving how this look came out. And on that note, dolls, this have now officially concluded the video. When it comes to the lipstick that I'm wearing none other than MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics Signature Lip Gloss Collection. I mixed two colors together to achieve this lip look, and the colors is number 18 and number 22, which will be down in the description box below. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Now I'm going to go and begin my day, but I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.